Today I'm gonna nail polish my nail.
That was garbage. Those good.
Yeah. I think it's
Just spinning around. My feet off the ground.
here's the one.
Ilang kilo daw yung 500? Pag binenta
What
ng
is this?
Magkano?
500?
Mahal din naman.
Wala po eh.
Ew, I hate it. I hate it. I hate this erase.
You're spinning me around. My feet off the ground.
Yeah, I'm carrying your horse. It's heavy, so later I'm gonna do muscles.
Exercises.
Don't try this.
Ang bahay nila nasa gitna ng dagat.
It's dangerous.
Kaya
I have
napakahati.
to ink.
I think, luto na po. Tikman po natin.
Bye.